Hi, this is Quantum Cambridge Exams free courses. You are more than welcome to our lesson of passive voice in English. So let's get started. Forming the passive. In the passive voice, the object of an active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. You can see from this extract. The boy becomes the subject of the passive verb in be. Here it is. You should notice that the subject of an active verb follows by in a passive sentence. The noun that follows by is called agent. So A and B have the same meaning. Actually, only transitive verbs that can be followed by an object, are used in the passive voice. Here it is. It's not possible to use intransitive verbs such as happen, sleep, come, seem, and others in the passive. So let's go forward with the form of the passive be plus past participle. So here it is active and passive voices. In the question form of the passive verbs, an auxiliary verb precedes the subject. Here it is. So simple present. Here it is, Mary helps the boy. Passive will be from the boy is helped by Mary. Present progressive, Mary is helping the boy. The boy is being helped by Mary. Present perfect, Mary has helped the boy. Passive, the boy has been helped by Mary. Past simple, Mary helped the boy was helped by Mary. And past progressive was helping, was being helped. Past perfect had been helped by Mary, will help. Future simple will be helped by Mary. Be going to is going to help, is going to be helped. Future perfect will have helped, will have been helped. And here it is. Was the boy helped by Mary? This is interrogative form. Is the boy being helped by Mary? And has the boy been helped by Mary? Let's go next one. We need to use the passive. How you need to use this? Actually, usually the passive is used without a by phrase. Rice is grown in India, not by anyone. Just rice is grown in India. The passive is most frequently used when it is not known or not important to know exactly who performs an action. Here it is. So, rice is grown in India by people, by farmers, by someone else. It is not known or not so important to know exactly who grows rice in India, right? So, actually, here it is. We do have three options, and they are illustrating that the most common use of the passive without use by phrase. Next one. Life on the Mississippi was written by Mark Twain. The by phrase is included only if it is important to know who performs an action, as in where Mark Twain is important information. Next one. My aunt made this rock active. So if the speaker knows who performs an action, usually the active is used, as here it is. My aunt made this rock. And the final one, this rock was made by my aunt. That rock was made by my mother. Sometimes even when the speaker knows who performs an action, he or she, I don't know, chooses to use the passive voice with the by phrase because he or she wants to focus attention on the subject of a sentence. So the focus of attention is on 2 rugs. Next one. Here it is. Passive form. All passive sentences are formed in the same way. The tense of the verb to be changed to give the different tenses in the passive, like subject plus to be plus past participle to or ed at the end. Here it is. It is made in Spain. It is being sent to the cleaners. It was broken by my brother. It was being, it has been broken, stolen, it will, and it is going to be. Again, past participle to or ed at the end. So guys, here it is, the checklist for you to have present simple active and passive, then present continuous active and passive, then past simple active and passive, present perfect active and passive, will active and passive. It's very interesting. Like we find all oil and gas beneath the ground or sea. So oil and gas are found beneath the ground or sea. The police are questioning two men. Two men are being questioned by the police. Teachers trained Aztec boys to fight. Aztec boys were trained to fight. Tourism has harmed some countries. Some countries have been harmed by tourism. We will choose a new class representative on Monday. A new class representative will be chosen on Monday. And we do have too many important things regarding passive voice, and we will go to continue our lesson for the next time. You need to follow our lessons. It will be passive too, so you are more than welcome to watch our videos. Here it is. The passive sentence consists of the subject, the verb to be in the correct tense, the past participle of the verb needed. You should know that we need to just add ed at the end if it's regular form. Sometimes the agent and other complements, and here it is, active and passive voice. The cat drank the milk. The milk was drunk. And here it is once again, just as reminded, the man is in the garden. Jacket stole my bicycle. This is active and passive. My bicycle was stolen by the man, the green jacket. Here it is, object, verb, past participle, by phrase, then the subject. It's very easily if you follow the strategic techniques very proper and in proper way. So we are here to help you to get your Cambridge exams high score, or even just to learn English grammar. So thank you for your watching, and be in tune, be always healthy, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for free lessons.